from B&B Auto Sales. We're out cruising our 79 Corvette here right at dusk. As you can see, I got the headlights on, they work. Cruising at 55. This is kind of a neat car. The miles show 50,548. I have no documentation on it, but the previous owner bought this back in like 2000 and had it for 20 years. He put a crate motor back in 01 when it had 47,000 miles on it. It was originally sold new in Huron, South Dakota. So according to him, there's a possibility the miles are actual, but no documentation, so take it for what it is. So it does have a crate motor. He spent some other money on it. Mechanically, it's a good running and driving car. And the paint on it appears to be original. I really can't find any paint lines. It looks still like it's a single stage original paint. So kind of a pretty cool car that way. Looks like the tach probably doesn't work on it. Got behind some slow people here. But all the other gauges work. I believe the stereo works. It checked over really good. So got a few imperfections on the body from being, I believe, original single stage paint, but kind of a unique color. It is not white, it is a light blue. We looked it up, about 5,000 of that color was done in 79. So is an L82 car. Tranny shifts down good. Yeah, the tach does not work. Tranny shifts nice and tight. We're going to see if the cruise works. The cruise control even works on it. So the air and the cruise both work. Still has the smog pump on it. So if you're looking for kind of an original type 79 Corvette L82, this one definitely will check most of the boxes. As you see in my pictures and my walk around video, the paint's not perfect on it, but definitely very presentable to drive. And then when you can tell the story of some of the history of the car, that kind of goes with it. So 605-695-7391.